Hi friends, welcome to Guru Gyanam. It's all about home science. Do you know? No food is complete in itself. Yeah, sometimes you heard that milk is a complete food, but it is deficient in iron and vitamin C. In order to have all the nutrients in adequate proportion, we must include different types of food in our diet. The food taken by a person or by you or by me gives total satisfaction to us, but still it may be imbalanced because of the deficiency or excess of any nutrients, which may lead to diseases. It means we need a balanced diet to be physically fit and active. So today's topic is balanced diet. It is part 2 of your chapter Food, Nutrition, Health and Fitness. So just begin with balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A diet that contains differing kind of foods in certain quantities and proportions so that the requirement for calories, protein, minerals, vitamins and alternative nutrients is adequate, and a small provision is reserved for additional nutrients to endure the short length of leanness. यानी कि कुछ जितना आपको रिक्वायर्ड है दैट अमाउंट वो बैलेंस डाइट से मिले, एंड कुछ मार्जिन आपके बॉडी में स्टोर रहे, एंड वेन एवर you keep fast or due to any reason you can't eat for a long time, a long duration, then आपकी एनर्जी मेंटेन रहे आपके अंदर, यू विल बी एक्टिव एट दैट टाइम और आप अपने काम को कर सकें. So, a balanced diet is the diet which fulfill your requirement plus margin of safety. So, what are the salient features of a balanced diet? A diet which is balanced for one or for you may not be balanced for your brother or your sister or for me. Everybody requirements differ. Clear? A diet is planned according to the RDA. RDA is recommended dietary allowances. अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे उसे. For an individual is balanced diet as it includes safety margins. The nutritional requirement varied with age, gender, physiological condition and physical activity of a person. That's why a diet जो आपके लिए बैलेंस है वो मेरे लिए नहीं होगी, या आपके छोटे भाई या आपकी फ्रेंड के लिए नहीं होगी, क्योंकि देयर फिजिकल एक्टिविटी में डिफरेंट, देयर फिजियोलॉजिकल कंडीशन में भी डिफर, isn't it? So ICMR has worked to provide balanced diet to all groups of people, which is discussed as under the daily recommendation of nutrients for all groups of people, that is RDA, and the different food groups. So firstly, RDA, that is recommended dietary allowances. RDA is the scientific estimated amount of nutrients or calories per day considered necessary for the maintenance of good health through food according to age, gender, weight and conditions of a person by the Food and Nutritional Board of the National Research Council or National Academy of Sciences. In India, it is proposed by the Indian Council of Medical Research, that is ICMR. Here in this table you can see the recommended dietary allowances for iron. Just take a look on this table. The requirement of iron for an infant male is 0.27 milligram per day, and that is same for a female child, that 0.27 milligram per day. For an adolescent, just look here, 11 milligram per day required for a boy and 15 milligram per day required for a female girl. and in pregnancy the requirement increases, that is 27 milligram per day. So what are the aspects of balanced diet? A diet should be include, means a balanced diet should include a variety of food items that meet the RDA for all nutrients. RDA of different food items is provided by ICMR. जैसा कि अभी मैंने आयरन का एक आपको शो किया टेबल में, इसी तरीके से all nutrients requirement is in form of table according to age, gender, work activity, physical activity and all. It provides nutrients in correct proportions. It includes safety margins for nutrients. It must promote and preserve good health, and it helps to maintain acceptable body weight according to height. So if we plan for a balanced diet, we must use basic food groups that is recommended by ICMR for planning a balanced diet. Food groups: classification of various food items having similar key nutrients in a single group is called food groups. While planning a balanced diet, you must include one item from each food groups in every meal. Just keep it in mind. अभी आप जो फूड ग्रुप्स पढ़ेंगे, हर एक फूड ग्रुप से एक आइटम आपके एवरी मील, दैट इज ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच एंड डिनर में इंक्लूड होना ज़रूरी है. Aims and benefits of a food group. Classification of food groups on the basis of nutrients present in them ensures that all nutrients are made available in the body of a person. It provides variety within the group, and a balanced diet can easily be planned by selecting at least one food item from each food groups. So, this is the benefit that it provide variety within the group. आप कोई भी हर फूड ग्रुप से एक आइटम अगर लेते हैं तो आपकी जो प्लेट है that is full of variety, rice, pulses, vegetables, clear, milk product, and it is a very easy. आपको सोचना नहीं है. There is a RDA recommended. आप टेबल से चेक कर सकते हैं, फूड ग्रुप से फूड आइटम सेलेक्ट करिए एंड आप बैलेंस डाइट प्लान करिए. तो जस्ट टेक अ लुक on 5 food groups recommended by ICMR. For India, 5 food groups is recommended. There is different food groups like 7 food groups, 11 food groups, but this is suitable for Indian condition. Here availability of food, cost, meal pattern and deficiency diseases are some of the main factors that have been considered while compiling these groups. The nutrient contents of all food items in a group may not be the same. So a variety of food groups, a variety of foods from each group should be included to have a balanced diet. So these food groups are cereals, roots and tubers. Second, pulses, nuts and oilseed. Third one is milk, meat and their product. Next is fruits and vegetable, and fat, oil, sugar and jaggery. इसी के अकॉर्डिंगली जैसा आप ये ग्राफ में देख पा रहे हैं, हमें फूड, हर एक फूड ग्रुप से एक आइटम अपनी प्लेट में इंक्लूड करना है. Here you can see these food groups in a form of triangle pyramid. Base is broad and it is given to, just take a look, what? Grains. So we take more grains per day. Then second is for fruits and vegetables, then meat and high protein foods, milk and milk products, and last the small portion of this cabinet is for fat, oil, sugar and jaggery. तो इसी के अकॉर्डिंग हमें ज़्यादा से कम क्वांटिटी में फूड आइटम्स को अपने प्लेट में इंक्लूड करना है. Here is the nutrients provided by various food groups. First food group is cereals, grain and products. It includes cereals like rice, wheat, bajra, corn, roots, tubers and potato, some malted cereals. The main nutrients provided by this food group is energy and protein. Other nutrients are invisible fat, vitamin B, iron, calcium and fiber. Second food group is pulses and legumes like moong, masoor, arhar, soya bean, almond, sunflower, mustard, etc. The main nutrients provided by this group is protein and energy, and other nutrients are invisible fat, vitamin B, iron, calcium, etc. Third food group is milk and milk product, meat and their products. The main nutrients is protein and other nutrients are fat, riboflavin, calcium, vitamin B12, fat soluble vitamins, etc. Fourth food group is fruits and vegetables. It includes different fruits like guava, tomato, mango, papaya, orange, sweet lime, watermelon, grapes, amla, etc. Another is vegetables. It is classified into two, like green leafy vegetable, amaranthus, spinach, drumstick leaves, beetroot leaves, coriander leaves, etc. And other vegetables like carrot, onion, brinjal, lady's finger, capsicum, beans, drumstick and cauliflower. It provides the main nutrients, vitamins, minerals and fibers, and other nutrients are invisible fat, trace minerals and vitamins. And last food group is fat and sugars and jaggery. It provides fat and energy. Clear? And beside this, it also provides some essential fatty acid and some fat soluble vitamins. So, when you are using these basic food groups, you must remember that at least one or a minimum number of servings should be included from each food group in each meal. And choices should be made within each group, as food within each group don't have similar nutritive value. In case of vegetarian meal, use suitable combination to improve the overall protein quality and for example, serving combination of cereal and pulses or including a small quantity of milk or curd in the meal. It enhances the protein quality of protein is enhanced. So khichdi is the best example. वी मिक्स दाल और चावल को मिक्स करके जब हम खिचड़ी बनाते हैं तो द प्रोटीन क्वालिटी ऑफ दैट खिचड़ी is very good because some essential amino acids which is not found in cereals is found in pulses. So जब combined हो जाता है दोनों तो वो quantity जो essential fatty acids हैं वो एक साथ हो जाते हैं और the protein quality अच्छी हो जाती है. So there is a food guide pyramid. It is an outline of what to eat each day based on the dietary guidelines. It is not rigid prescription but a general guide that lets you choose a healthy diet that's right for you. The pyramid is used for eating a variety of food to get nutrients you need and at the same time the right amount of calories to maintain healthy weight. Each food groups is represented by the band of label and wider band at the base means the more from that food group. As I told you earlier that cereals, grains and their products we must eat in more quantity, and the narrow band at the apex, that is sugar, fat, sugar and jaggery, it indicates the lower quantity of that products we need. So here is a food pyramid, just take a look and remember that we should eat more grains, more vegetables and fruit, moderately amount for meat, fish, egg and alternative including beans, pulses, milk and their alternatives. We must eat in less amount, that is fat, oil, sugar and jaggery, and drink adequate amount of fluid including water, tea, clear soups, etc. Point to be remembered while planning a balanced diet from this food pyramid, that we must include uncooked vegetables and fruits in the meal, at least one serving of milk, minimum 100 gram in any form. Daily 100 gram in any form हमें milk लेना है, either in form of छाछ और curd और पनीर, in any form, और खीर. Cereal should not be contribute more than 75% of required energy. तो आपको सिर्फ सीरियल्स नहीं खाना है, उसके साथ आपको वेजिटेबल, पल्सेस ये सब भी खाना है, क्योंकि 75% से ज़्यादा हमें सीरियल से एनर्जी नहीं लेनी है. तो ऐसा ना हो कि आपने पराठा खाया, 2, 3, 4 पराठा खा लिया और आप सेटिस्फाई फील करोगे, विद अचार खा लिया, विद अनियन खा लिया, बट आपकी न्यूट्रिशन रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफिल नहीं होगी. Sugar and jaggery should not be contribute more than 5% of energy, and fat should not be contribute more than 15% of total energy. And proportion of cereal and pulses should be 4:1 or 5:1, not more than that. So here just take a look in this pyramid. We need 6 to 11 servings according to our physical condition of cereals and bread, and 2 to 4 servings of vegetables and fruits, 2 to 3 servings for milk and yogurt, 2 to 3 serving for dals, meat, etc., all protein items, and बहुत ही लेस क्वांटिटी में, जैसे आप यहाँ पे देख पा रहे होंगे स्प्रिंकल किया हुआ है, जैसे हम थोड़ा सा चाट मसाला अपने सैलड में या फ्रूट्स में डालते हैं, उसी टाइप से हमें पूरे दिन में उतना ही हमें ऑयल और शुगर और जैगरी लेनी है. क्लियर? नाउ हियर इज़ अ वेजिटेरियन फूड गाइड फॉर दोज हु आर प्योर वेजिटेरियन. For vegetarian, diet are mainly obtained from plants such as grains, vegetables, legumes and pulses, fruits, nuts, etc. Eggs and milk products are also included in some vegetarian diet. कुछ लोग prefer करते हैं egg खाना vegetarian diet में, they can eat egg. Food groups are similar and the number of serving will remain same for vegetarian and for non-vegetarian. In place of meat, legumes, seed, nuts, etc. will be selected. Egg can be eaten for those who eats egg. Dark leafy vegetables should be included in food, and the person who don't drink milk in any form, maybe they are vegan, some लोग जो लोग vegan होते हैं वो दूध के products नहीं खाते हैं, तो they can use soya milk in place of cow milk. Soya milk is a product made from soya bean. It provides similar nutrients. If it has fortified with calcium, vitamin D and vitamin B12. Though special emphasis is laid upon 3 lower sections of food guide pyramid, the other sections are although very important. So there are some health benefits of these food groups. Vegetarian food guide, that vegetarian food may enhance weight loss, and a balanced diet enhance weight loss, may reduce cancer risk, it may stabilize blood sugar and promotes heart health. So some points to be remembered here, that is all sections of food pyramid is equally important. One food group cannot be replaced by other food group, कि हम एक food group से ज़्यादा आइटम खा लें और दूसरे को नहीं खाएं, ऐसा नहीं पॉसिबल है क्योंकि हमें बैलेंस डाइट फिर नहीं मिलेगी. It is a general guideline for a healthy and balanced diet, and the main aim of food guide pyramid is to emphasis upon including a variety of foods that provide all the nutrients and a right amount of calorie to maintain a healthy body weight. That's all about balanced diet. I hope you understand this chapter, this part of this chapter. There is a review question for you. Jaldi write down. Write what is a balanced diet. Explain the suitable example. What do you mean by RDA? And question number 3, explain how the use of food groups simplify planning of a balanced diet. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, then press like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, then write in comment box and don't forget to press bell button for further notifications. Thanks.